MotorWeek is made possible by TireRack.com, RockAuto.com, and State Farm.
Warmer weather has finally reached the Mid-Atlantic, and appropriately enough, fuel mileage in our 2019 Kia Niro PHEV is back on the upswing, currently sitting at an impressive 58.1 miles per gallon.
The Niro plug-in has officially reached workhorse status here at MotorWeek, and that's actually a high compliment. That means it's comfortable, versatile, and spacious enough for our crews to use almost daily. Not to mention, we're not wasting as much time filling up the tank.
Some may scoff at its measly 1.6-liter hybrid powertrain, but hey, if it's good enough for F1, it's good enough for us. And we've gotten no complaints about power delivery over these first 5 months and 8,000 miles. One recent weekend getaway only required 1.6 gallons of gas thanks to some timely charging. Plan your trips right, and this Niro PHEV can be quite a frugal flyer.